1997 Ford Explorer V6. What we got done on it? Something special. We haven't done an Explorer before. So, actually we've done one before, but not true dual. Anyways, it's got stock converters. One right there, one right there. Then it comes into a dual end single out muffler right there. And a resonator and tailpipe. And you know us, we don't like mufflers, so we cut them off and straight piped it. All the way back, true dual. Straight pipe all the way back. There's the first tailpipe into 4-inch tips. There's the second tailpipe into 4-inch tips. Rolled. That's what it looks like. Check it out, guys. Tell us what you guys think. True dual straight pipe. And if you really like the sound, make sure you guys subscribe, please. Thank you, and have a nice day. Let us know what you guys think. Hello, son. Ford Explorer. Sport. There's sound decibels. Wow, again. 120 on the sound decibels. That thing. Wow, that thing is loud. Hell yeah. Tell us what you guys think. Hope you guys like it. We got a YouTube channel called Exhaust Addicts. Really? If you want to subscribe to it. Go ahead. I love it. It looks good too. How many muffler shops you go to and they true dual the Ford Explorer, guys? Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Hope you guys like it. It's got a K&N air filter too on it. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Explorer Sport 2-door coupe. You don't see these many anymore, especially true dual.